Hi, it's Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKeen here. One of the questions I'm asked is, can I sue for emotional distress in Connecticut? And the answer to that question is yes. Yes, you can sue for emotional distress in Connecticut. And look, it's a high bar. So if somebody calls me a jerk, which it happens sometimes, I can't turn around and sue them. But if their conduct is extreme and outrageous and harassing, or if I suffer some kind of physical injury, something horrible happens to me, and as a result of it, like, I experience trauma. I mean, as is well documented through all sorts of neuroscience and medical literature and psychology, that a person can experience PTSD. Well, I can make a claim. You don't have to be diagnosed with PTSD to make an emotional distress claim, but I can make a claim for the emotional injuries that I have suffered. And the law recognizes that there are more than physical injuries. Like, yeah, you break your bone, you have to get a cast, maybe you have to get surgery. You're going to have receipts for all of those things. You're going to have images. But the law recognizes that we are people. We are more than just physical beings, that there is a emotional component to what we have. And in fact, we all know that emotional injuries can be some of the worst injuries that people suffer. Lack of sleep, constant anxiety, depression, inability to get out of bed, loss of appetite. It interferes with your relationship, maybe with your spouse, or it interferes with your ability to go to work. So the emotional component can be a big part of it. And an experienced personal injury lawyer can help document that and can help convey that loss to an adjuster or to a judge or maybe to a jury. So if you've suffered any sort of emotional distress damages, don't hesitate to give me a call. 877 CTF wins.